Alright, what's going on guys? Anthony here from AO Fitness. Welcome back to the channel. I hope everybody's safe, everybody's healthy. I feel like we're almost through this thing. I feel like the peak of all of this quarantine stuff is just about over. But today I wanted to discuss 3 hobbies that everybody has to have no matter what, whether you're in quarantine or it's normal, easy peasy, everything's back to normal. These 3 hobbies are gonna make your life way easier. And if you implement them now while you're in quarantine, you're gonna come out ahead, I promise. Before we get started, something super cool came in over the weekend and I wanna share with you guys. You'll know why I think this is cool. Let's check it out. I think you can appreciate this, and ladies, you're gonna love it too. Does anybody have one of these? The Manscaped, from Manscaped. This is the Lawnmower 3.0. It's brand new, just came out. Apparently you can use it in the shower, so that's kind of cool. All right, so let's get into opening this thing. So first, let's check out, there's like a nail kit, nail trimming kit, something like that. It's got a cool little like pouch. It's like leather. It's got the Manscaped stamp built into it. It's kind of small, convenient. Looks like, I don't even know what this stuff is. There's tweezers. Tweezers are always good. A nail file, scissors, and then some clippers. It's got like little holes in there for like speed clipping, maybe that's what that's for. So when you're in a hurry and you've got to get through it faster than normal, it's got the hole so that it keeps it cool and it doesn't heat up, and I don't know what that is. Alright, so let's check out this guy. So the Lawnmower 3.0, designed for groin grooming, just in case you guys didn't know. Cool little packaging. I dig it. Ah, there it is. Your balls will thank you. So that's what it is, guys. That's what it's for. It's to trim your undercarriage, which can be a pain. I don't know, guys, have you ever used like a normal clippers, like a beard trimmer down yonder? It does not feel good at all. So this looks like it's just a trimmer, and I don't know if you can adjust it or what, but it's pretty cool. All right, let's see what else is in here. So you've got a cool little pouch here. What's in here? Oh, that's pretty cool. So it's like the cradle, right? So it just, there you go, just plugs right in there. And you got a little bag with some other stuff in here. What do we got? So you got a dongle, and then I'm guessing this is a charger cord. So that's cool. So you could take this and you could plug it in the wall or whatever, and then this can like, the cord can go in here and it like looks cool. I don't know that I need everyone that comes over to use my bathroom to know that I've got one of these guys, so I might just conceal it, who knows. This is from Manscaped. Obviously they did not sponsor this video, however that would be dope if they did. Does anybody have one of these? The original Lawnmower 2.0, 3.0, anything like that? What has your experiences been? Like, does it really work? I'm gonna try this out later. I don't know that I will give you an update to let you know or not, but I'm curious to know if you guys have one of these and what your thoughts are. So anyways, back to our normal scheduled viewing. We're gonna talk about the 3 habits that is gonna make your life amazing. All right, cool. So let's go over the 3 hobbies that I think is going to help you better your life in the future for when we come out of this quarantine. So let's get right into it. Hobby number 1 is gonna be finding something creative that you can do to better yourself. Now, if you're like most of us out there right now, we've got a little bit more time on our hands than we're used to, and instead of just sitting on the couch watching Netflix with the family, you could be doing something to better yourself. What could you be doing, you ask? I don't know. Maybe you can learn to play the guitar, play the piano, learn a new language. This is a unique opportunity for you to do something or learn something or gather a skill that you've been wanting to do for a long time, but you just didn't have the time to do it. So that's my recommendation for hobby number 1, is doing something creative, learning something new that's creative. All right, moving right along to number 2, you need to find a new hobby that's gonna keep you in shape. So we normally go to the gym and we use the gym as a clutch to stay in shape, get in a routine, stay on track. But obviously, given the times, we've got to find something that's creative, something that's different, something that's new in order to stay in shape. Now you can go outside, you can run a 5K, you can walk a 5K, whatever you want to do. You just got to get outside, get active. Like there's all kinds of things you can do. You can order some bands online and hook them up in the garage or on a door or something like that, and at least, you know, get something going there. The cool thing about it is you learn something new. You can always look at some of my videos for some tips and tricks. You can always search YouTube, Google, whatever, and you can find some at-home exercises that you can do. You'd be surprised what you find out. There's going to be some things that you hate, some things that you like, some things that you're going to see will be challenging but yet rewarding. So that's just it, guys. So outside of just going to the gym every day, we've got to figure out other ways to be creative with our workouts and stay in shape. Okay, moving right along to number 3. Number 3 for me is going to be to find other ways to make money while we're at home. Now, some of you guys still have a job, you're essential, and you're going and doing your normal work, but there's a lot of people that are stuck at home. Now, the cool thing is now, like, some of us, I mean, in our day and age, we already have a side hustle. We're already doing something on the side that supplements our normal income. Now, some people, you may not have income from either one of them right now because of how our economy is and because of the quarantine. But a side hustle, something that can generate some additional income. So for me, like, I'm playing around and I'm learning stocks and I'm learning how to trade stocks. Again, like, I've got Webull, I've got Robinhood. You can check those links down in the description below. Click on those, you get a stock, I get a stock. It's a win-win for everybody. If you want some information on how to do that, obviously just hit me up. But as far as like generating income, I think we're in an opportunity right now where we can buy some stocks and make some money on it. So that's my side hustle. That's my hobby. I enjoy it. It's something that I enjoy, like tracking and trying to make money off of it. Some other examples would be, there's a lot of people out there that are making masks right now, and they're dropping, you know, $10 a piece on these masks for some spare fabric that they had laying around anyway. Like, that is something that they enjoy doing. I hope so. And if there's a cause for it, there's a need for it. Coming out of this thing, I don't know how many masks we'll need, but for right now, it's definitely generating some income for some people. So that's really cool. What are some other ways that you can generate income? I mean, you could definitely take a part-time job somewhere for, you know, essential employees if you want to. I don't know that that's necessarily a hobby, but you could definitely take something that you are really good at. Let's say, like, let's just throw it out there. You're really good at online gaming and it's a passion for you. Well, you can offer your services. There's gaming platforms where you can offer your services where you've got somebody that's brand new at the game that you really like, and for 10, 15, 20 bucks, whatever, you'll spend half an hour with them over chat, over Discord, and you could teach them how to play the game. Like, it's something that you're doing, something that you enjoy, and you're making money doing it. There's a ton of other things like that out there. You just have to be creative and explore all your options. So that brings me to the question now. Is there something that you guys are doing right now that can satisfy all 3 of them? Is there something that you're doing right now that allows you to be creative, allows you to stay in shape, and it allows you to generate some additional income? I'm curious to know if you guys have anything like that you're doing right now, before the quarantine, during, something that you learned right now, something after. It doesn't matter. Like, I want to know. I'm sure there's some things out there. Guys, give me some examples. Throw them in the comments below. That is it for today's video. I hope that the 3 hobbies that I brought to you is going to be beneficial for you when we come out of this thing. We've all got to grow together, be strong together, and build this thing together. So again, that is it for today's video. I appreciate your time, effort, love, and support. Guys, I say get out there and do something epic like I always do, but right now we're kind of stuck at home. So you do whatever you want to. Just enjoy your day. Stay healthy, be safe. We'll see you guys on the next video.